Hey, I'm Grant with MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. Freshly arrived 231 Explorer by Grady-White. Matching 250 Yamaha on the back here. Great power for this boat. It's going to get you on plane in a couple of seconds. First thing that you're going to notice about this when you enter from the port side is that these nice backrests in the back, they swing out of the way so that you've got an easier access when if you're climbing on and off the back of the boat. And you can see that backrest just moves like that. Very simple. Lots of rod holders on here. As you can see, we've got a few in the middle. We've got 4 shotgun rod holders on the back of the leaning post, and we've got 4 shotgun rod holders up there. You've also got rod holders in the gunnels too, so plenty of rod holders on this boat. These back seats are really comfortable for a fishing boat. These backrests go nice and high up your back, so it's a super comfortable place. And as usual, Grady always puts a handhold there somewhere for you so you feel confident when you're riding back here. Underneath the cushion on this leaning post is a nice big live well. It's huge, it's deep, it's blue on the inside, it's rounded on the corners. It's going to keep your bait alive. It's all designed to keep your bait alive. As you can see when I sit at the helm here, nice footrest, tilt steering wheel, so your controls fall right at your hands. The ergonomics on this boat is fantastic. Stereo controls right here. Plenty of mounting flats for putting your electronics, whether you're a Garmin person, Ray Marine, whatever. You've got lots of nice room up there. You also, up top, have got a T-top storage box. So you want to throw your wallet, your car keys, stuff you want to keep dry. Nice stainless steel gas assist shock on there. Look at the finish work on this. These little screws that come through, they put cap nuts on the top of those, just so that you make sure that you're not going to scratch your knuckles and it looks better up there. Attention to detail like that is what makes Grady-White Grady-White. Nice head compartment, plenty of room to get down in there, but they don't want to devote too much room on a boat for a head for something that you're only going to spend 1% of your time in. So it's a nice roomy console. It's tall enough that I'm 6'3", I can comfortably get down in there and use the facilities if we need to. Windshield that extends all the way up to the T-top, and again, look how they nicely have finished that off. And when you just look at this stuff and then go look at some of our competition of what they do to make that connection there, there's no comparison. Getting in the front of the boat, I said there was more rod holders up here, so you've got 2 on each side. Cup holders, of course, everywhere on the boat. Huge sun pad on the front. If you take all those cushions off there, you've got a great casting platform on the bow of the boat. This particular one has the bow sunshade with it too. That's what these little things are for. So you're going to put some little poles in there, and you can attach a sunshade to the T-top so that you can shade this whole bow area. This boat is at MarineMax in Jacksonville Beach. If you want to take it for a test ride or just stop by and see it, give me a call on my cell phone, 904-625-6146.